Problem number 10, page 65, the same question bank. Girish, Mahesh, and Varun were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 6:3:2, respectively. The different ratio is given here. You have to be very careful. 6 plus 3 plus 2. It is going to be 11. Their capitals on 1/4/2017. So here it is given 1st April, 60,000, 30,000, and 20,000, respectively. On 30th September 2017, Varun died. So 1st April to 30th September, including September, including April, how many months? If you calculate,
6.
6 months. So Varun also was alive for 6 months. The goodwill of the deceased partner's share is 10,000. So deceased partner is Varun. So Varun's share of goodwill is 10,000. Straight away they have given. No need to calculate further. This 10,000 belongs to Varun. That has to be given by or shared by Girish and Mahesh. Continue. Next sentence. The deceased partner's share in accrued profit up to the date of his death is 4,200. Full stop is missing. So up to the date of death, profit is called as profit and loss suspense account. That 4,200 belongs to deceased partner. So no need to calculate anything. Just straight away take 4,200. Next, Varun's commission is 600 per month. PM underline per month. So he was alive for 6 months. So 600 into 6 we have to give. Then his drawings up to the date of death amounted to 8,000. Next, interest on capital at 10% per annum. Prepare Varun's capital account. So this is the problem given. So if we go for working, so Varun's capital account, we will take it up. So 30th September, 30th September is 39. So first opening balance brought down. So we have to take up Varun's capital there. Varun is the third partner. So third partner's capital we have to take there. So third partner's capital is 20,000. You can see Varun is the third person. Capital is third person's capital is here 60, 30, and 20. So 20 belongs to Varun. So by opening balance 20,000. Next, goodwill of the deceased partner share is 10,000. So now we will see about note. Varun's share of goodwill is given, that is equal to rupees 10,000. Goodwill to be written off to Girish and Mahesh in the ratio of 6:3, that is equal to 9. Can I have a look at it? I'll share the screen here. Girish, Mahesh, and Varun, 6:3:2. 2 belongs to Varun, third person. So Girish and Mahesh is 6:3. So I have taken the same 6:3 here. So 6:3 is equal to 9 total. So when you divide that, Girish is equal to 10,000 multiplied by 6 by 9. It comes to 6,666.66. So I have taken it as 67. So Mahesh share 3 by 9, that is equal to 333.33. So I have left over 0.33. So that is going to be credited here by Giri's capital account. So goodwill in the form of name of the partner. Next by Mahesh capital account. So goodwill is divided among two partners, and that is going to be total 10,000. You have to ensure 10,000, not even 1 rupee variation should be therein. Next, the deceased partners share in accrued profit up to the date of death 4,200. So that is going to be credit side by
Suspense.
P&L. Yeah, very good. Suspense account. $4,200 straight away. No further calculation is required. Next, Varun's commission is 600 per month. So Varun's commission is also a partner's commission. Per month, 600 rupees. So he was alive for 6 months,
3,600.
3,600. It is also a benefit for the partner. His drawings up to the date of death amounted to 8,000 till the date of death. So to drawings account on the debit side, 8,000. Next, interest on capital at 10% per annum. So interest on capital is a benefit for the partner. So by interest on capital account, capital amount is 20,000 multiplied by 10% interest for 6 months. So we have to calculate how much it is going to be. So 2,000 rupees at 10% for 6 months. It is going to be 1,000 rupees interest on capital. If you total, 30,000, 38,000, 38,800. When you balance, 38,800 is the total. Drawings is there 8,000. If you minus that,
30,000.
30,800. 30,800. So Varun's executor's account, will be credited with the capital amount 30,800.